On behalf of ExpertVillage, my name is George Engel with Mr. Fix-It Handyman Incorporated here in Miami, Florida. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install a bifold door. Okay, once you've determined where your track's going to go, you can go ahead and fasten it. We've decided to put this one in the center. So we're going to go ahead and attach it. Okay. It has 3 holes. I recommend that you use all 3 because this door does get used quite a bit, and with the movement you want to make sure that it stays and holds its position. Okay. Now, when you choose a bifold door, you have to look at what application you're using it on. The one we'll be using today is a slatted bifold, but choose the one that you want according to where you're putting it.